For an inaugural event, this is incredible. You have a room packed out full of shop owners that are hungry and willing to learn.
The best conference I think I've been to in quite some time.
I'm just inspired by so many people being here, top notch from the beginning.
People who say it cannot be done should get out of the way of those of us who are doing it.
I get fed by people that I look up to. It reminds me to not pretend to be the smartest person in the room, because I'm sure as hell not.
I'm on fire. I don't know, does everyone feel that way? Just being surrounded by others, that are seeking all of this knowledge and how to get to the next level just like you.
Take everything I learned today and make sure I can use that to improve the lives of my team.
You get so excited and you get to go back home and implement all this new stuff.
I'm excited about all of the opportunity in automotive.
Seeing the energy, seeing the excitement, seeing where Tekmetric is headed, mind-blowing. Where else would you want to be?